All right, it's May 29th. This is the first episode in the series of this challenge that I've set before myself to try to get myself profitable consistently. And so we're starting with small share size, and I'm looking to make my target is $20 a day. Max loss is $20 a day. I'm risking $10 per trade. And so leading gapper today is ALZN, and it's up 144% on 34 million shares of volume. It's got a 715,000 share float, and it's pretty much already made the majority of the move. At least for now, it's consolidating. We'll see here into the open. It hit a high of $9.04. It's got a daily level up there just over $10. Um, Starting to roll over here, forming a possible head and shoulders. There's the shoulder. So we'll see if we come down to 760 on that. Um, so I'll watch that level. You see on the hourly here, the 15-minute. There's a outside bar currently, and here it comes down some more. So the EMA needs to catch up, especially on the hourly time frame. We're rolling into 6:25 here, so we got about 7 minutes till the market opens. ZEO, third leading gapper. This one has got 43 million shares traded, 2.4 million in the float, and it's up 79% right now. Both of these first two stocks that I have here, they both have news on them. This one's trading below VWAP now. If you look at the 15-minute, it's just a stair step down here on the 5-minute as well. So hourly consolidation, where will it find support? Will it find it? EMA is catching up here at 250. And this one hit that daily and is now pulling back and consolidating for the last couple of hours. So these first two stocks in consolidation mode. And then there is QUBT. Even though the scanners, there's quite a few stocks on them, I couldn't find anything else. So QUBT, this one, you know, 2 million shares traded. It's got 110 million in the float. So it's not going to move super fast. It may set up and give a opportunity. It's got some news on it. Daily level is up at 1430. So there's a possibility here that something could happen. Right now it's consolidating on the 5-minute time frame. See a pullback on the 15 here. So yeah, we'll see. We'll see on that. So I've got a half hour from the opening bell to try to get myself to $20 on the day. So this one hit a high of 13.95. What do we have hitting the scanner over here? KSS. And KSS, don't know what the float is, kind of light on volume, and not something I'm interested in. So I'm only watching 3 stocks this morning, and I don't have a trade in mind. ALZN is possible head and shoulders, might be getting ready to roll over and consolidate more on the 15-minute. ZEO trading below VWAP, has been consolidating on the hourly, or on the 15 here, and on the hourly. Really need to see a trend change on the 5-minute. Need to see us get back over VWAP. Ooh. So you can see here fair value gap on this 5-minute time frame here. Actually want to switch those around. And ZEO is it's got fair value gaps to the bears. Not surprising. So yeah. I think I'm gonna go ahead and mark out a support down here. So somewhere between 723 and 760 might be a good trade on this one. I want to say 723. It's down there close to the volume weighted average price. Webus International. Yeah, this one doesn't look half bad. It is at all-time highs. Tried to break out over the high there and couldn't do it. Large candle ranges. Really jumping around, lots of volume. All right, 15 seconds to the bell. That was loud. QUBT bouncing off the EMA. Nice move up to 13.95 there. Oh, that was rough. It was an instant $16.40 loss. Ouch. Should have waited for the 723 level. I think I better. 723 or nothing. Wow. That's crazy, man. This guy has got some volatility. Just wondering if we're going to get a cup and handle pattern on this. I don't know. It's taking too long, I think. But we'll see. 820. See, now we have a second 1 minute candle. Ooh. Well, what that tells me is that I've hit my max loss. All because I took that one really big loss. So that is the way my day went. It's unfortunate. I was looking for this break to hold and to continue higher. I could have sold it there for some profit, and I did not. And it played nice off of this fair value gap. Yeah, it was unfortunate for me on this stock that this thing dropped and flushed down. I'm used to placing orders. Usually I split my buy orders up into two parts. So I'm risking $10, but each buy order is $5. I had forgotten that I actually adjusted it to 10, so that one order was all I would need. And then I ended up placing, I think, 2 orders here, maybe 3, and that's why I took such a big loss on that drop, because I'd forgotten that fact. So it should have only been half that amount, but I might go back to the 5. I've been doing 5 all this time, and just for some reason, just today, I decided to bump it up to the 10. You can see on my trade bar down here where I have it set to 10, so that's a $10 risk. But if I were to set that back to 5, it'll decrease my share size. I might do that for tomorrow. So really today, I don't know. I think pre-market might have been better. I didn't see a lot going into the open. I just want to see what these look like. My trading day is over, so I can no longer place any trades. This one here, you can see it's coming up to the fair value gap. This one was trading below VWAP, so I didn't really have a lot of interest in that. This one didn't really get the head and shoulders pattern, but it did come down into the fair value and gave us a little bounce, but it just couldn't break over 820. And now it's coming down more. So probably hourly consolidation, most likely. Let's see. No, it was 15. Was it 15 minute? Yeah, 15-minute consolidation there. Looking for a 15-minute higher low. It's a pretty good move up. I'd say it's still bullish unless it gives us back all of that. Could be a round trip, but right now it's pretty much a 5-minute downtrend with that rejection off of 820. You got another fair value gap here. You got a few support levels on the way down. This is going to be a short video. My first trading day of this challenge, and I take a loss. Excuse me. And what was I watching over here? QUBT. Oh, yeah, that one sold off. I really was thinking about getting into it because it bounced off a VWAP and took off here, and I was going to get into it. After this candle, I was looking for this one to pull back into this range, and it never did. And so I didn't want to chase this. But it made a nice move. Yeah, it did ended up breaking through a few days ago, that high. And then there's WE2. That one bounced nicely off the 9 moving average. Big bullish candle. Coming back down. See if it negates that fair value gap there. This one's trading below VWAP, so it's bullish on the 5-minute, but downtrend on the 1-minute, below VWAP. This one had news as well. It's holding up there, so it's closing above the bottom of that fair value gap, this trough level here too. But it's fighting the EMAs, it's below VWAP, so I don't have a lot of high hopes for that to go back up, but it might. Okay, well, $22 loss for me, down 23.84. I was never green, not once, because that first trade was a big loser. It was 1.5 times what I should have lost. So I let me see here. Yeah, I'm gonna finish at my low today. Down 23.84. Okay, that's it.